Wow, we're blessed with another beautiful day. The sun is shining, there's a nice breeze. Paul's gonna come over and pick me up with his dinghy, and then we're gonna go for a little zoom around the island, and we're taking our snorkeling gear and our spearfishing equipment. So hopefully we're gonna see some fish and maybe even catch some dinner. Lunch.
Lunch? What did you cook?
Nothing, it's the pizza from yesterday. Luca!
Because you know where to go, I don't.
No? Lay it off! Unfortunately, not too much fish down there, at least nothing too edible, but we found a very, very pretty island, so it was a pretty cool trip. There are a bunch of smaller and bigger projects on Karl, like on every sailboat, I guess. And sometimes it's just nice to tackle one of the small projects every once in a while because they're fast and they give you the sense of accomplishment pretty fast. Well, hopefully. So today I'm gonna do one of those little projects and hopefully it's not gonna take too long. You might have already seen that this little hatch has had some repairs happening to it, and I think it's time to replace it. Unfortunately, I don't have any jigsaw on Karl, so I'm gonna zoom over to Yerba Buena and ask Paul for a little hand to cut the wood. What are you working on?
Oh, fixing my dinghy.
There are boat projects everywhere!
Yeah.
I found this wood on the beach. It was from one of our little scavenger hunts. And I think it's gonna be alright. And it's been annoying on the front deck. I nearly had a little accident with the sheet the other day, so it's gotta go. If you thought that the Germans are like perfectionists and like always want to do everything like over anal, try working with a Swiss. Wow. It's the it's a superlative of being overly correct. We're like talking about like infinitesimal, tiny, small measurements here. We can go into heart surgery with this stuff that we're doing here.
At the end, the difference is to have a splinter in your ass or not. Yeah.
Done! Well, first step of the project done. Thanks for your help, Paul. Super awesome.
Okay. Good job. You did really good.
Whoa, it's another gloomy, rainy, stormy day here in the Pearl Islands. Getting a little gusty now. Oh, my rain catcher doesn't like that very much. Maybe something different for now. I want to build a whole little shelf system here for the side on my boat for all my camera stuff, like all my batteries and chargers and whatnot, because they're always flying around everywhere. So I want to have some little tiny pockets, a little longer than this, like that, and then I can just toss them in there. Et voila, a cute little woven shelf basket from recycled ocean plastic. Alrighty, I did some adjustments to the wood with the grinder. These are the 2 pieces and the 3rd piece is here. I decided to leave a bit of the red on it because I think it's kind of cool. And now I'm just gonna drill some holes and put them together just to see if they fit, because I'm sure on the outside I have to smoothen things out again with the grinder. And then once all of that is done, I'll take everything apart again and then I'll epoxy all the pieces. Can't find my countersink as usual. I just don't know where that guy always goes. And I thought I just bought a new one too. Well, just 1.5 years ago, but it's not gonna be pretty. Let's be honest. First of all, I'm not a pro woodworker, and second, the piece of wood, or the pieces of wood, were not like the greatest for this project, and I did not have enough material to do the sides as thick and as deep as I wanted to. So that is what it is. It's not gonna win a beauty prize, but maybe a recycling prize. Just trying to make sure that it's actually gonna fit. Well, I'm quite happy so far. It's pretty snug, which is great, but so far so good. There's not too much that needs to be fine-tuned. Obviously a little bit of grinding here and there to smoothen the edges and make everything nice. But apart from that, I think it's totally gonna work. And I actually do like the little red bits and the little black bits that I left. I think it's gonna look kind of unique. Okay, so nearly done. Paul is gonna cook for us tonight, which is awesome because it's already, wow, 5:40, and I'm really happy that I don't have to cook tonight because it's been a long, long day. So I'm just gonna jump in and then paddle over to Yerba Buena and we're gonna have a nice dinner with Paul and Maria.